Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm testing out, I didn't want to, but I'm testing out the new R888r with drag radials, and it's raining pretty good. So far it's doing good. I am doing about 40 miles an hour, and it's coming out pretty good. So it's slowing down a little bit, but so far I'm surprised. I'm happy that these tires that they're doing good in the rain, and that way if I get stuck in the rain, these tires will help me make it home. But for all y'all doubters of the R888Rs, it's cleaning up now, but it was raining pretty good earlier, but they handled pretty good. I'm really happy. So right now it's like it's slacking up. I think I'm going away from the rain right now, but it was real bad back there. So oh yeah. But anyway, guys, I just want to give y'all a little update on these tires, man. Hey, they doing good. Oh my God. So I can tell, you know, it's a hit and miss on this rain, but I'm surprised with the tires. So yeah. Seems like it's starting to come down now. But so far these tires are doing good. I guess as long as you don't do nothing crazy, you good. So it's raining. I think I'm going away from the rain, but in the hard rain, man, they doing pretty good. So that's my review on the R888R tires in the rain. I guess if you don't do nothing crazy.